Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, your energy dips, your focus fades, and your day just slips through your fingers? What if I told you that the secret to transforming your entire life isn't in working harder, meditating longer, or chasing endless self-help advice, but in something far simpler, yet profoundly powerful? Your frequency? Yes, your vibration, your personal energy, determines not just how you feel, but how reality responds to you. Today, we're going to uncover exactly why you lose your frequency, how it affects every moment, and the practical ways you can stay in high vibration all day, effortlessly. Before we dive deep, imagine waking up each day feeling light, inspired, and aligned. Every interaction, every task, even the smallest moments carry a sense of flow. You're no longer drained by negative thoughts, fear, or external chaos. This isn't wishful thinking. It's a shift you can make right now. Let's explore how. Think about a day when everything felt off. You woke up tired, rushed through your morning, got caught in traffic, received a frustrating email, and by noon, your energy was gone. Sound familiar? This is losing your frequency. Your vibration isn't just about feeling happy. It's your internal signal to the universe. When your frequency dips, doors close, opportunities fade, and life feels heavy. Conversely, when your vibration stays high, you become magnetic to the right people, ideas, and experiences. And here's the kicker: most people never realize they're sabotaging themselves daily through habits so subtle they barely notice, scrolling aimlessly on their phones, ruminating on worries, or simply ignoring how their body feels. But there's a way out, and it starts with awareness. Frequency or vibration is your energy signature. Think of it like a radio signal. When you're aligned, your signal is strong and clear. You're tuned to the station that broadcasts opportunities, synchronicities, and joy. When you let negative thoughts, stress, or distractions dominate, your signal weakens. You become static to life's opportunities. This is why some days everything flows effortlessly, while others feel like a battle. Understanding this is the first step toward staying in high vibration. I once knew someone who struggled daily. She had all the resources, the knowledge, the talent, but she constantly felt off. Her relationships were tense, work was draining, and even her hobbies felt meaningless. After learning about energy frequency, she started small. Every morning, she spent 5 minutes noticing her breath, listening to uplifting music, and visualizing her day with clarity. Within weeks, her energy shifted. Her work became easier, she felt lighter, and opportunities began showing up almost magically. This is the power of staying in high vibration. Now here's a critical insight. Staying in high vibration isn't about forcing positivity. It's about alignment. You don't push away negative emotions. You acknowledge them, release them, and gently return to your center. Think of it like tuning an instrument. Every time tension or fear arises, you recalibrate. This daily practice strengthens your frequency, making it resilient against life's inevitable ups and downs. And here's something almost no one talks about: your environment, your surroundings, the people you spend time with, even the media you consume. These all directly impact your vibration. Imagine a battery slowly draining every time you're exposed to low energy influences. Now imagine fully charging that battery every morning with intentional rituals. Which scenario would you prefer? Take a moment and reflect. How often do you notice your energy throughout the day? Are you conscious of when it dips, or do you simply ride the wave, reacting to circumstances? The first step in retaining high vibration is observation. Without awareness, change is impossible. Journaling, short meditation breaks, or simply pausing to feel your body are powerful ways to reconnect. By the end of today, you'll understand how to reclaim your frequency, step into effortless flow, and awaken the magnetism within you. Imagine ending each day feeling fulfilled, energized, and inspired. That's not a dream. That's a high vibration life, and it's within your reach. But first, you must learn the triggers that drain you, the subtle habits that lower your frequency, and the practical steps to shift your energy in any moment. And that's exactly what we'll explore in the next scene. Imagine if no matter what happens in your day, your energy stayed elevated, calm, focused, and magnetic. What would it feel like to move through your world without constant fatigue, doubt, or distraction? This isn't some distant dream. It's the power of mastering your daily vibration. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to do it. In scene 1, we uncovered what frequency is and why it matters. Now let's go deeper. We'll explore practical ways to maintain high vibration all day, so you can reclaim your energy, focus, and magnetism, even in the busiest or most challenging moments. The first secret is awareness. Most people float through their days like sleepwalkers, reacting to life rather than actively steering their energy. High vibration starts with noticing the little things, the thoughts that drain you, the people who sap your energy, the moments that spark joy. Start by pausing 3 times a day: morning, midday, and evening. Ask yourself, how am I feeling? Where is my energy? Awareness is the key to control. Here's the twist. It's not about eliminating negative emotions. Suppressing anger, fear, or sadness only creates more tension. True high vibration comes from processing and releasing these emotions, not ignoring them. Think about someone you know who always seems on, radiant, and magnetic. Their secret isn't perfection. It's mastery of their internal energy. I remember a client, Alex, who struggled with constant overwhelm. Emails, meetings, and family stress left him exhausted by noon. When we implemented simple micro breaks and energy resets like mindful breathing, short walks, and intentional gratitude, his entire day shifted. By the end of the week, he reported feeling lighter, more creative, and even noticed opportunities appearing where he previously saw obstacles. Let's break down daily strategies to stay in high vibration. Morning alignment ritual. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of meditation, visualization, or journaling. Focus on gratitude and the outcomes you desire. This sets a tone for your entire day. Micro energy breaks. Every 90 minutes, take a 2-minute pause. Stretch, breathe, or close your eyes. These micro breaks prevent energy dips and recharge your frequency. Environment curation. Surround yourself with uplifting sounds, colors, and people. Even subtle changes like lighting a candle or listening to your favorite music can raise your vibration instantly. Intentional consumption. What you read, watch, and listen to directly impacts your energy. Choose content that uplifts, informs, and inspires. Here's something most people overlook: your body's energy. Your thoughts influence your emotions, but your physical state amplifies everything. Feeling sluggish? Even a short walk or a few deep breaths can dramatically raise your frequency. Let me share a story. Sarah was constantly drained by work deadlines and family responsibilities. She began integrating movement into her day. 10 push-ups in the morning, stretching between tasks, and a short walk after lunch. Combined with brief mindfulness pauses, her energy soared. What once felt like endless struggle transformed into a sense of flow. Her colleagues noticed her confidence, her ideas gained traction, and her day-to-day stress decreased. This shows that small intentional actions create powerful shifts in vibration. You might be thinking, I don't have time for all this. But the truth is, maintaining high vibration doesn't require hours of effort. It's the consistency of tiny actions, mindful breaths, a pause before reacting, a moment of gratitude that compounds into remarkable energy shifts. Every time you realign your frequency, you are sending a signal to yourself and the universe. I am ready for better. By now, you understand that frequency isn't abstract. It's practical, measurable, and trainable. Your vibration shapes your experiences, attracts opportunities, and influences your relationships. As we move into scene 3, we'll take it even further. How to anchor high vibration in challenging situations, maintain it under stress, and create a magnetic life that consistently attracts abundance, joy, and clarity. This is where transformation becomes unstoppable. Have you ever noticed that life's most powerful opportunities often appear during chaos? The traffic jam, the unexpected confrontation, the sudden challenge. They can either drain your energy or become the ultimate catalyst for growth. What if you could stay in high vibration, even in the midst of life storms? Today, we'll uncover how to anchor your frequency, no matter what comes your way. In scenes 1 and 2, we explored what frequency is, why it matters, and how to maintain it daily. Now we're diving into resilience, the art of keeping your energy elevated when the world tries to pull you down. This is where true transformation happens. Think of Maya, a young entrepreneur I once coached. She was juggling clients, deadlines, and personal challenges. One morning, a key contract fell through, triggering frustration and doubt. Before learning these techniques, this would have ruined her day. But instead, she paused, acknowledged her feelings, and practiced a quick anchoring ritual: deep breathing, visualization of success, and repeating a personal mantra. Within minutes, her energy shifted. She approached her remaining tasks with clarity, focus, and optimism. By evening, not only had she recovered, but she had also attracted a new, even better opportunity. Here's the secret. It's not the challenge itself, but how you respond that defines your vibration. Every emotion you allow to linger, every thought you ruminate on, either lowers or elevates your frequency. To anchor high vibration in real time, try these strategies. Breath reset. Pause for 30 seconds and take deep, intentional breaths. Inhale positivity. Exhale tension. Body awareness. Notice where tension resides. Shoulders, jaw, chest. Gently release it. Physical alignment reinforces energy alignment. Mantra or affirmation. Repeat a phrase that resonates with your high vibration. Example: I am aligned, I am resilient, I attract goodness. Gratitude shift. Even in adversity, identify one thing to appreciate. Gratitude instantly elevates your energy. Micro moments of joy. Listen to a favorite song, watch a short inspiring clip, or step outside to feel sunlight. These tiny joys anchor high vibration throughout your day. Jake, a manager facing constant workplace stress, began applying these techniques. Initially, he struggled to remember them in tense moments, but over time it became second nature. When confronted with a demanding client, instead of tension and frustration, he applied his breath reset, visualized a successful outcome, and felt a calm confidence take over. His team noticed the change. His productivity soared, and opportunities that once seemed impossible became attainable. This is energy mastery in action.